The Dashavatar tales of Vishnu's 10 incarnations. In the mystical realms of Hindu mythology, Vishnu, the preserver, takes on 10 forms known as the Dashavatar to protect dharma and restore cosmic balance. The fish incarnation. Long ago, the world faced destruction in a great flood. Vishnu descended as Matsya, a giant fish, guiding a righteous king to build an ark, saving humanity and the Vedas. Kurma, the tortoise incarnation. As Kurma, Vishnu transformed into a colossal tortoise to support Mount Mandara during the churning of the cosmic ocean, ensuring the retrieval of the nectar of immortality. Varaha, the boar incarnation. Vishnu manifested as Varaha, a mighty boar, to rescue the earth goddess, Bhudevi, from the depths of the primordial ocean, defeating the demon Hiranyaksha. Narsimha, the man-lion incarnation. When the demon king Hiranyakashipu threatened the universe, Vishnu emerged as Narsimha, half man and half lion, to protect his devotee Prahlada and vanquish evil. Vamana, the dwarf incarnation. In the Vamana avatar, Vishnu appeared as a dwarf Brahmin to humble the arrogant demon king Bali, who had conquered the three worlds. Vamana reclaimed the heavens and earth in 3 strides. Parashurma, the warrior sage incarnation. Vishnu incarnated as Parashurma, a fierce warrior sage, to rid the world of corrupt Kshatriyas and restore order by wielding his axe with righteous fury. Rama, the prince of Ayodhya incarnation. As Prince Rama, Vishnu embodied virtue and duty, upholding righteousness by defeating the demon king Ravana to rescue his beloved wife, Sita, and uphold dharma. Krishna, the divine cowherd incarnation. In the playful guise of Krishna, Vishnu enchanted all with his divine flute and wise counsel in the epic Mahabharata, guiding Arjuna in the battle of Kurukshetra. Buddha, the enlightened one incarnation as Buddha, Vishnu appeared to teach compassion and non-violence, guiding humanity towards enlightenment and inner peace. Kalki, the future incarnation. The Dashavatar concludes with Kalki, Vishnu's prophesied avatar yet to come, who will restore righteousness at the end of the Kali Yuga. Through these 10 avatars, Vishnu illustrates the eternal principles of duty, righteousness, and compassion, guiding humanity towards spiritual enlightenment and cosmic harmony. Thus, Vishnu, the preserver, continues to watch over creation, ever ready to uphold dharma and protect the universe in times of need. Follow Bal Sanskar for more such interesting information. Radhe Radhe.